Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. My name is Goodluck. In today's video, I will show you how to simplify these two exponential expressions given to us. We'll walk through it step by step and you will be able to simplify questions that relate to exponential expressions. Let's dive into it. Now we are given the first question, 16 raised to the power of 3 divided by 4 times 4 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, all divided by 8 raised to the power of 5 divided by 3. The first thing we do here is to express the numerator and the denominator as the power of their base. So therefore, I will have that 2 raised to the power of 4 all raised to the power of 3 divided by 4 times 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 all divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 5 divided by 3. From here, we have expressed our numerator and denominator as the power of their base. So now we will consider simplifying the index. So from the numerator, 4 cancel out 4 and 2 cancel out 2. Also from the denominator, 3 will cancel out 3. We'll be left with 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5. Now from here, we know that from our laws of indices that if we have the same base, we add up the powers. 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5. This will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5. Now from our division law, we can be able to apply that this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 4 times 2 raised to the power of negative 5. Now since the bases are equal, we have 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 5. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of negative 1. And from our negative power law, this can be expressed as 1 divided by 2. That is your answer. Let's solve the number 2 question. Now, number 2 question has been given to us. So the first thing we do here is to take off the cube root, and by doing that, we have to express the cube root in an index form. So this can be written as 64 times arrow negative 6 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 3. Now the next thing we do is to multiply the powers. If we do that, we have 64 times arrow negative 6 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 6. In our laws of indices, we know that from product power law that A times B all raised to the power of n is equal to an times bn. So therefore, we have that this will be 64 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 6 times r raised to the power negative 6 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 6. So from here, we have to raise 64 to the power of its base. So if we do that, we have 2 raised to the power of 6 raised to the power of 1 divided by 6 times r raised to the power of negative 6 divided by 6. Now we know that from here 6 will cancel out 6, and 6 will cancel out 6, will be left with -1. So our expression becomes 2 times r raised to the power of -1. Our answer becomes 2 divided by r. Congratulations, you have been able to simplify these two exponential expressions, and I believe that you'll be able to solve others that relates to this. Please, if you found value in the video, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. And if there is any step you didn't understand, please drop a comment and I'll be willing to help you out. Share the video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.